Say hi, guys.
We're going to Kentucky. That's awesome. They got the fucking mansions houses up there. You want me to kill myself? America? What the frick is that?
We got our large root beer float.
That's for you, bro. That's not for me. That shit is that's potent.
Why were you slurping it?
Yo, come on, bro. Check on there and so get some conies. Who the fuck? Run! That's crazy. That shit's huge.
My guy pretty like Chanel, and he got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel.
Oh, guts. Where are we at?
The Hoover Dam.
What? Oh.
Fucking blow up. You will blow up. Drop your phone down there. I don't like looking down there. I know, that's vertigo.